When I was studying, I hadn't heard great things about low-code just because people in my university like doing things from scratch. And I had this thought that by not doing things from scratch, I would be limited. But in development, we constantly talk about the concept of reusability. So by interacting with the platform, I quickly realized that I was afraid of the things that I actually try to implement in my own code. And by reusing technology that I don't need to be rewriting every time, I could actually free myself to think about things that I didn't have time to think before. My skepticism wasn't rooted on anything specific because I just wasn't familiar enough with the platform. It was just on the idea that by having the control to do things from scratch, I would always get a better result. But that is not the case anymore for the current technology landscape. We can reuse a lot of the stuff that we have done. We don't need to know how to write some tags from HTML from scratch. We can just speed up our work. You can spend a whole year trying out to deploy an application with a high-level programming, but in 2 months you can have an MVP developed and deployed to production with OutSystems. So it's a trade-off. If you have your concerns, well, you're just missing 2 months in your agenda, so give it a try.